on the fun, focus, and the badass classes, we have Joe Demers and Ruth Hoffman. Also, Dexter Santos and Heidi Fight. And last but not least, Tim O'Neill and Witten Frank. We're going to show you what they've got during this next song. Please give them your cheers and your applause.
When I first met you, baby, I thought you were so fine, an educated so-and-so from the Georgia Pine, a man of first class, a woman you wanted. But when I asked your name, that's when you started to lie. Why do you lie? To know why. I regret the day I met you, 'cause you lied. Therefore, who can you? You told me that your mama was and that you had to leave town to settle all of her bills. I went to a nightclub just to have myself a beer. Guess who I saw? Your mama. She said, why do you lie? Lord, I just got to know why. Therefore, who can you? Oh, yes, even you said that there were 12. But you forgot the minus 7 and you're only a 2 on the record. Why do you lie? Lord, I just got to know why. Well, let's go sailing on that big long yacht of yours. Shoot, therefore we can get ready. Oh hell, let's go looking for those engines you lost.
You talking about engines?
You did walk in with them, didn't you? Maybe down in the sofa.
Well,
Ladies and gentlemen, the instructors of Rain City Blues 2012. Okay, that was hot. Anybody ready to get back on the dance floor?